Good.
What are we doing today, Kyle?
So last week Kevin called me and said, "Hey Kyle, just so you know, I'm buying the tailless turn. I wanna update the back of my car." And I was like, "Damn, I gotta do something to the back of my car now too." So I was like,
always trying to one up me, huh?
I'll buy the premium. So I bought the premium Auto Styles, I guess vinyl overlay, I guess you would call it. So this is gonna be all black. It's gonna make this look super cool. But I just fell in love with his tailless turn, so I might end up getting the tailless turn as well. So we're gonna put that on. We got it right here, and then also we're gonna put a sticker on too. Finish up.
Cool.
So we're gonna.
So this is the this is a pretty new kit that
I think
Premium has
came out,
released
like last week.
Yeah, it came out a couple weeks ago. So first impressions, we'll show you guys that, and then we're also going to do a quick time lapse. I'm not going to show every install process because they do have a pretty good video already on their website. But we will be doing a time lapse and giving our impressions on how easy it was. You know, we're not professional vinyl installers, but
I've put on one piece of vinyl before, and you've put on.
Yeah, but I've only done wet installation.
Yeah, so this will
on
be...
my car, I've done these carbon fiber side sill runners there. I've done these inlays here, and then the hood scoop. But these are all carbon fiber, which is thick vinyl, and you actually put soap and water underneath it. And then you scrape it out and place it, which makes it really easy to place because you can just put it around, slide it around to the right position, hold it down, and then squeegee the water out of it. But this, it's gonna be a little more intimidating. We're gonna use some heat.
I also got
and
these too.
Personally, I do not have the greatest, well, I don't have the greatest record with using heat on plastic products of Kyle. So I am filming only today.
So I also got the steering wheel, a little blue to match, and then I also got for above the shifter where it says WRX.
Yeah,
I got that too. So
I can do that. I'll do that, and then you do the hard stuff. All right, so we're gonna set you guys up on a tripod. We'll get a nice, awesome time lapse going, and we'll get back to you once everything's done and show you the final product. Do you want to just show them actually real quick what exactly we're doing?
So, well, hold on.
That's the other side, yeah.
Easier.
Each on the other side, that's fine.
So this is gonna go over top like this. So they give you a bunch more, so you have room to, you know, mess with it.
Yeah.
Premium does a fantastic
What's
job.
different about this new kit that Premium has released is essentially you are going to be highlighting the stock red C, which is really nice, but it just gets blurred into the rest of the reflectors and the plastic housing and all of that.
And
so
also, there's not a tail light that I have found that I'm like absolutely in love with, because I personally hate the exposed LEDs. So like a lot of like the Buddy ones that just came out, the Spec D,
the Buddy Club, Spec D.
You can see the exposed. I don't like that.
The
To me, that
only
looks
one
cheap.
is the only one that I really like is the blacked out OLM.
Yes.
The OLM ones, the Night Hawk or something like that. But they reverse the C direction, which I don't like.
Yeah,
I don't
and
think it
even
matches.
like the Subi Speed ones, instead of a C, it's like a weird wave one. That one doesn't have the exposed LEDs, but it just doesn't look. I do love this.
And there are a couple of like I think they just released a new one, but Subi Speed, those exposed LEDs, like the ding 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 like that. It looks like it's bedazzled.
And to me, that's
on a Whammons car. I mean, that's great. And there are some guys that run them, but
it just looks, to me, it just looks cheap. I don't know. I like the just kind of all-in-one that this kind of has. So I think that this will be obviously it's super cheap. It's like $35. So it'll be a super cheap. If I hate it, I just rip it off and get taillights. You know.
So you'll have to order tails turn soon.
Yeah, I think I want to see what it looks like with it on, and then we can kind of compare both of our cars and see if. Maybe I'll just unplug your tailless turn before you leave.
All right, cool. We'll set you guys up on the tripod now, and we'll get into that. All right. So we finished Kyle's car. I left my bumper. I left my phone on our friend's bumper, and
He drove away.
he drove away. We found the phone. Phone's fine, but I was freaking out for a little bit. So, anyways, what do you think, Kyle?
They're done. Honestly, $35. Never doing it before. There's like a slight imperfections that if we really wanted to go bananas, we could try to fix, but $35, it looks great. I think I'm gonna do the taillights turn, but I'm gonna think about it because it does look kind of cool with the blinker here.
And at night, all that light will fill up this entire thing. It's not gonna just be here.
Exactly. So I might do it, I might not do it. I haven't decided. I definitely want to black these up. I might do that maybe next weekend. But yeah, I love it. The little stuff inside came out pretty good too.
Let's see if we can get both of them together. Oh yeah, that tail end looks mean.
Yeah,
Looks good.
it looks good. I like it.
Cool.
Very easy for doing it our first time. I mean, a little bit of heat gun squeegees. I didn't buy the squeegees like the felt squeegee and like exacto knife off of Premium. I went on Amazon. There was like a kit for like $9. Came with 2 of them, everything you need. So that was pretty good. But yeah, I like it a lot. For price, don't be afraid to do it. Just try it. At the end of the day, if you fuck it up, just buy another one. But don't be afraid to try it. We did it and we're idiots, so you could probably do a better job than we can.
Cool.
So thank you guys for tuning in this week and watching again. So we should have the 500 subscriber giveaway video going up right after this one. So thank you all to enter and be ready for the next one. It was gonna be real good. So thank you for tuning in for watching. Please like and subscribe and share to your friends and family and people that you just meet randomly. I don't care. All right.
Yeah. Cool. All right, everyone.
Peace.